What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis here, CEO of wolvesacademy.com, the Wolf of Marketing, coming to you guys live from the Bali Villa, paid for by online profits. And in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys 3 ways, right, how to make money online as a teenager, free and fast, no investment required. And instead of just giving you one way, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys 3 methods. Now, guys, there's so many ways to make money online, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys ones that you can make money like today, right? And the first one is high ticket closing. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and actually find an influencer who has some sort of product or course to sell. You're going to reach out to them and let them know that you will sell it for them. And how you want to go ahead and sell it is you want to do it commission based. Now, whether you're 13, 10, 15, freaking 35, doesn't matter, right? There's no age required to close for somebody. Now, legally, when they pay taxes and stuff like that, I mean, it may get a little bit tricky, but if you were 15 and you were a freaking hungry savage, you wanted to go ahead and close sales for me, I would go ahead and bring you on board as a closer, because what I do is I live my lifestyle, I shoot content, I build my dream life, right? And I have built a team around me to elevate my business and my income. So for example, I don't edit my own videos. I do close a lot of my sales, but a lot of the times I actually have closers for me, closing deals for me, so on and so forth. So you can fill that gap, right? Where if somebody needs help, right, you can go and close their sales. And the going rate for closing is 20% commissions. So if somebody's selling a $1,000 course, that's literally $200 for a 45-minute phone call. That's nothing. You don't have to generate the leads. You don't have to create the content. You don't have to run the ads. All you literally have to do is show up to a phone call, close the sale like the Wolf of Marketing, the Wolf of Wall Street, and freaking earn a $200 commission. Now, guys, I have high ticket consulting that I sell myself as high as $5,000, right, to consult with people, done for you consulting. I literally pay out a 20% commission on that. So literally one sale that takes 45 minutes, you can earn $1,000, right? So imagine working, and that's fast, guys. What I mean by that is as soon as somebody generates a sale, I go ahead and pay out a commission. Now, other people may pay out 1, 2, 3 weeks. I pay out instantly, right? Because I just don't even want to deal with payroll and crap like that. So as soon as somebody generates a sale, I shoot them a PayPal and boom, so on and so forth. So if I'm doing it, I know it works, right? I pay people to close sales for me. One of my closers, her name is Priscilla. She literally just made $400 the other day just for closing a sale for me. So that's one. Number 2 is this isn't instantly, but starting an agency, right? So basically, if you guys want to go ahead and learn how to start an agency, you guys can reach out to my boy. His name is Brian. He has a company called Afterfound, AFTERFOUND. And he can literally go ahead, and he has something going on right now to where he has like a JV partnership agency thing going on to where you can close sales, but not even only just close sales, right? You can even create your own agency. If that's something that you're interested in, reach out to him. I get no commissions or anything like that for referring you. Starting an agency will allow you to secure clients. Now, guys, just a quick little backstory. When I was homeless in Australia, one thing that I've always been really good at is sales and persuasion, right? So I didn't even know how to deliver the service, right? I didn't know how to create the agency, but I knew if I had the freaking money, I'd figure it out. So I literally started going business to business. I started reaching out to people. I started saying, hey, could you benefit from Facebook ads? Hey, could you benefit from Facebook ads? Just persistent. Could you benefit from more customers? Yes. Okay, cool. Let me tell you what I can do for you in your business to help you generate more business, right? And literally, my first freaking week, I closed a $1,500 sale. I just went from business to business. I told them I had an agency. I wasn't even a legit guy. I literally just had a freaking folder, not even a briefcase. I was just going business to business, and I was just asking if they could benefit from more customers. A couple people said yes, and then I just freaking closed money, right? I closed literally $4,500 my first month. My first week, I closed $1,500. Now, guys, that's fast. That's fast money, right? If you have nothing to your name, $0, all you need is your mouthpiece. You got to know how to show somebody and educate them how you can go ahead and help them solve their problems. So, guys, whether that's social media marketing agency, whether that's running Facebook ads, whether that's creating content for people, show them how they need what you're selling. And then when you can show them that they need it, it solves a problem. It's going to go ahead and help them get to their ending goals as a business, right? Then you'll go ahead and bring them on board as a client, and people pay instantly. It's prepaid services, so they're gonna pay you before you even deliver the service. So that's gonna go and allow you to make money free and fast, right? You just need to invest the time and put in the work. And then last but not least is consulting, right? So let's just say you're not doing an agency. Let's just say you're not doing high ticket closing. You're going to be able to consult people. So if you need money really fast and you need it free and you don't have like money to run ads or anything like that, guys, you guys could literally start pounding the payment on your social media, on your Instagram, on your, say who needs help with, boom. And if you're an expert within that field, get these people on the phone and then tell them how you can go ahead and help them get to whatever they're trying to accomplish. So for example, if I needed money quickly, I would go ahead and basically hit all my social media accounts and say, who needs help with affiliate marketing? I'm doing consulting right now. And then a couple of people reach out, I'll go ahead and get them on the phone and I'll freaking close the deal for a consulting deal. Now again, I charge $1,000 an hour for my consulting. For a 4-hour time frame, that's $4,000. My biggest package is $5,000. So I'm speaking through personal experience. Like, you can close these people for these high ticket sales. Now, what do these 3 things have in common, right? These 3 things have in common is, guys, if you want to make money fast for free, you have to be willing to freaking talk to people and convince them to buy your shit. If you're not willing to talk to people, then you shouldn't want money fast, period, right? If you just want to make money without like doing anything or passive or shit like that, right, then you're going to go ahead and have to create YouTube videos or blog posts or things along those lines and wait for people to find your stuff. And then once they find your stuff, they see a sales video, they buy it, so on and so forth. Cool. Right? If you're not the selling type, then this shit isn't for you. Fast money is not for you. The highest paid industry in the world is sales, right? Sales and persuasion. So if you're in a position, another story, right? Another story, I had negative $200. No, I'm lying. I had $200 in my bank account. I was past due on my car. I was past due on my rent, right? And I was just broke, and I literally did Uber because I needed money fast. I did Uber. Uber wasn't working. Freaking, I made $8. I said, fuck this shit. This is not enough money for me. I need to make money fast. So I had a couple of leads. I literally scraped up those leads, hopped on the phone, just started dialing. And that freaking day, hand on a freaking Bible, I swear on my little sister's lives, I had $200. I had rock bottom. I did Uber that same day, and I made $8 freaking dollars. I'm like, holy shit, what did my life come up to? I just did what I knew best. I freaking picked up the damn phone and I started dialing, and I made $3,000 freaking dollars. And that shifted everything for me. So with that being said, guys, if you guys want to make money fast and you're not willing to put in the work, get the fuck off this video. But if you guys are willing to put in the work, if you guys are willing to hop on the call with people and freaking close deals, this is for you. That's the fastest money I know, right? High ticket closing for somebody else if you don't have a product already. If you don't have a product already, but you are an expert in a specific field, then go ahead and close a consulting deal and then just show them your expertise. And if you want to go and create a quick agency or something along the lines of social media management, which doesn't require anything up front, right? You don't have to be rocket scientists. If you're a freaking teenager or a millennial and you're on social media, there's a chances are you're 99% chance that you know more about social media than these businesses. You just got to convince them that it's valuable to actually have a social media presence, to build a following, to have nice content creation for their business. And then once you can convince them, get them to freaking pay. The way you pay them, pick up the damn phone, close the deal. Go to their business, close the deal. Figure it out, close a deal. Now, if you guys want to know my #1 recommendation to make money online, it does involve closing sales. You can go ahead and click the first link in the description. It'll go ahead and give you plenty of details on what I got going on and what I'm leveraging to generate fast money, right? Free and fast, right? I use free marketing strategies to make 6 figures. I hop on the phone with people. I close $1,000 to $2,000 deals, and I'm able to live a pretty dope life. Like, I'm literally looking right now at my room. Right, here's my room, and as soon as I walk outside my room, there's a pool here. I'm in Bali, Indonesia. Like, this place is freaking dope. Just to give you guys like a quick little, like, notice the villa here. And this is my room, so just so you guys know I'm not lying there. But yeah, guys, literally paid for, all paid for by closing freaking deals. So with that being said, if you guys want free and fast money, guys, you guys need to learn how to sell. If you don't know how to sell, guys, it's literally just showing people how your product can solve their problem and persistently pursuing that sale. If they tell you no, just tell them another reason why it might benefit them, and then eventually they'll fold. And don't be afraid to ask for the money. So in order to get started, this is what we need to get started. With that being said, if you want to get started, this is how we get started. This is how much it's going to go and cost. And then you ask for the freaking money. So did you want to go ahead and do this method? Do you want to pay me via PayPal, or did you want to pay me this? And I'm like, PayPal. Okay, boom, you just made $1,000. Simple as that, right? So hope you guys gain value from that. If you guys want to know, again, my #1 recommendation to make money online, the same thing that's paying for this freaking villa, this dope ass villa over here. If you guys want to know what I'm doing in closing sales, click the first link in the description, take massive action, and hit the subscribe button and that notifications bell if you haven't already, to join the fam And with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Your boy, Eric Ellis Jr., checking out.